This is the next problem on type 2 on indefinite integrations. Find integration of 6x plus 5 into root over 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. Clearly we are observing that this is in the form of px plus q, which is a linear term, and this is a quadratic term, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Whenever given problem is in this model, what is the working rule to solve this type of problems? Working rule is we should take the linear term is equal to capital A into d by dx of quadratic term, which is ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B. This is the working rule to evaluate this type of problems. Okay, see what is the linear term here? 6x plus 5. So let 6x plus 5 is equal to a into d by dx of quadratic term involved in the root over, which is 6 minus 2x square plus x plus b. Take it equation number 1. First we should find out the values of capital A and capital B by comparing like terms on both sides. So this can be written as 6x plus 5 is equal to capital A into, what is the derivative? Please write the derivative of this term. Okay, derivative of 6 is 0 and derivative of minus 2x square is minus 4x. Everybody knows that derivative of x square is 2x. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 plus b. Okay, now compare the like terms on both sides. So by equating the x coefficients on both sides, in left hand side x coefficient is 6, in right hand side x coefficient is minus 4a. If you take capital A into inside, you will get minus 4a. So from this, what is a value? 6 over minus 4, nothing but minus 3 by 2. Now by equating the constants, we have 5 in the left hand side. In the right hand side, a into 1 is a constant. If x is not involved, then we can take it as a constant plus capital B. So what is b value? 5 minus a. Already we got a value as minus 3 by 2. So minus of minus plus 3 by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. Okay. So please highlight these values in your examinations. Okay. So substitute a b values, a comma b values in 1. By substituting these values a and b in 1, you will get 6x plus 5 is equal to capital A. What is capital A? Minus 3 by 2 into d by dx of quadratic term, which is 6 minus 2x square plus x plus b. What is b value? 13 over 2. Okay, take it equation number 2. Substitute this 6x plus 5 value in the given problem. So given problem becomes to how? So integration of 6x plus 5 of root over 6 minus 2x square plus x into dx is equal to integration of, first we consider the given problem and we should replace 6x plus 5 value here. So which is, open a square bracket because it has two parts, minus 3 by 2 into d by dx of root over 6 minus 2x square plus x into dx, plus we have 13 by 2 whole into this part. Just we write this value and write here this term as usual. So 6 minus 2x square plus x into dx. Okay. Now separate the terms because in between we have positive sign. So minus 3 by 2 is the constant term right outside of the integration. Minus 3 by 2 into d by dx of, we do not have a root here. Just see this one. We do not have root. Okay, d by dx of 6 minus 2x square plus x into this term into this term. root over 6 minus 2x square plus x into dx plus 13 by 2 into this term. We have integration symbol also. So write directly 13 by 2 in the outside of the integration. So you will get 6 minus root over 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. So clearly we are observing that the first part is in the form of f dash of x. This is f dash of x into this is f of x whole power n. Here n is nothing but 1 by 2. So result is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. According to that formula, it becomes 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 13 by 2 into, we are observing that it is in the form of integration of root over ax square plus bx plus c into dx, which is type 1 form. That's why we should make the coefficient of x square is 1 first. So 13 by 2 into root over, what is the x square coefficient here? Minus 2. So take common out the term minus 2 from the entire term. So you will get minus 2 of x square. This becomes minus x by 2 and this is minus 3. If you have any doubt, take this minus 2 into inside. Minus 2x square, minus 2 getting cancelled, minus minus plus x, and minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. That's all. Into dx. Here we are observing that 3 by 2 getting cancelled. Simply you will get minus of 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 3 by 2 plus 13 by 2 of integration of root over, I will write this one as minus 2 of, so this is a square and we need minus 2ab. That's why multiply with 2 and divide with 2. So you will get x square minus 2 into x into, already here we have 1 by 2. Already here we have 1 by 2. Now we are multiplying with 2. That's why here you will get 1 by 4. Now we need plus b square. What is b value here? 1 by 4. So you will get 1 by 4 whole square, which is 1 by 16, and subtract with 1 by 16. Minus 3 is already there into dx. Okay. So minus of 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 3 by 2 is the first part. 13 by 2 into integration of root over minus 2 of, see this one. How can we write first 3 terms? X square minus 2ab plus b square. That's why it is x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus, what about this one? 16 is the LCM. So 16 is the LCM. Minus 1 minus 3 16s are 48. So minus 1 minus 48 minus 49 by 16. Close the brackets into dx. Now I will write the continuation this side. See the next step. That is equal to, first term is similar term, minus of 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 3 by 2 plus 13 by 2. So here we are observing that take this negative sign to inside and this is nothing but root 2. Write root 2 in the outside. So integration of, by taking negative sign to inside, you will get root over, first you will get 49 by 16. 49 by 16 can be written as directly 7 by 4 whole square minus of x minus 1 by 4 whole square into dx. Okay. So minus 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 3 by 2 plus, this can be written as 13 by root 2 because this root 2 getting cancelled root 2 times here, and we are observing that the integration is in the form of root over a square minus x square into dx. Clearly this is in the form of this one. What is the formula for this one? X by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 of sin inverse of x by a plus c. This is the formula for this one. So we are observing that here a is equal to 7 by 4 and x is equal to x minus 1 by 4. That's why it becomes, please open a bracket, x by 2. X by 2 is nothing but x minus 1 by 4 whole by 2 into, write the similar root. Which root is here? Just you write similar root, which is 7 by 4 whole square. Can be written as 49 by 16 minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus a square by 2. What is a value? 7 by 4 whole square. So you directly you can write that 49 by 16 whole by 2. A square is nothing but 7 by 4 whole square. That's why. Into sine inverse of x. What is x value here again? X minus 1 by 4 whole by a. What is a value? 7 by 4 plus, okay, minus of 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 3 by 2 plus 13 by root 2 of, take the LCM here, which is 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1 by 4 2s are 8. So this can be written as 49 by 16 minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus 49 by 16 by 2. 16 2s are 32. So it can be written as 49 by 32 into sine inverse of, take the LCM here, 4x minus 1 by 4 by 7 by 4. This 4 getting cancelled after taking the LCM. So it becomes 4x minus 1 by 7. Okay. So close the brackets and plus C. Okay, this is the way of solving this type of problems. I hope you are all understand. In the next hour, I will say the another method which is type 3 form. Thank you very much.